Action. Glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. If I first say watch the channel, do subscribe. Do your best, you know what I mean? As we proceed. Watch the movie, tell me what you think about it. Burn it down.
Well, it mean nothing. Well, it mean nothing.
Jamwood Studios. Love is real.
That take me heart out of my chest and give to you, give to you. Anytime you're around me, I make you happy, never make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, you got me thinking about you.
They are fast, yeah.
Well, my mom say I go and hold it up. What you deal with?
You know, some don't give you one short door, but said time I go out in the town to go get something and see you.
Yeah.
And if you have a look at one minute,
I'm ready to I'm on fire for you.
Me nah move.
Where's you going now?
there. Right now, I think more move go up on the Portland side, go chill out with moms and them sitting there, isn't me?
So what we're going to do for you living now?
Well, I have nothing in the pipeline still, but I want a girl out we spend money for me, isn't me?
So you got to get that money.
Yeah, man. I think mother want to do all the couple channel thing that too.
So a good girl.
Yeah, man, a good girl, man. So what you think about that?
Yo, you're a gangster and daddy. Must have done a people afraid of you, you know.
Yeah, that's true. You know, say she and her mother live down, the mother well when I come up with you, you know.
But are you named Tuggy, you know? Tuggy? Are you the real Tug, don't you, so? People afraid of you. See, you go up there, at the same rotation if you can go up there. People afraid of you. Right now you're up there, you're the man of yard up there. If I'm your mother, you can get the two of them. The more the merrier. You know, say my grandfather get mother and daughter pregnant.
Yeah.
Yeah, in a real life. Yeah, man. So, I know nothing new and nothing strange. You go up there, dominate.
I
You
mean,
understand?
really pretty mother still. I just say daughter, me and me.
But if you get the mother, take the mother. You want to take the mother?
No, sorry.
Then
daughter,
say if
me
you
and
don't.
me
So, oh, you can't. If you take the cow, you can't take the calf. You know that story there?
Me hear the
So if you
story
take the calf, take the cow too.
So what make you want if you take your calf?
Hello.
You want to take your cow? I say you would have if you take it. My mother too. Don't make me have. So don't give him no bad
Your mummy a
influence.
hot.
No
your-
give him no bad influence. No
your
bother with it.
Your mother hot. We don't take your mother and two on the one.
Come on, man. Come here.
What you talking
What
about?
you think, though? You think me fi go up there, go movie and stay with her?
If you feel like you want to stay with her, that's your choice. But don't follow him. But don't take no mummy. If you love a girl, don't eat.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
If you love a girl, don't do that. Don't do that. You hear me tell you?
I love her still.
Right. So when you say I go up so?
But I want to show out probably tomorrow or maybe you will show her.
But hear me
before
say
the
now.
week done.
Be a man about it. If you are going to do your business, you do your business, angle it. See me there angle my business and I go and run it. So what you do your things. If that make you happy, you go and do it. What I say if you do?
Go and do it.
Do it. Because we go watch the TV and we go see it. We go, whatever you make your channel be, let's link with. We watch it, right?
Yeah.
We go watch it and get update. And,
Always.
Yeah, man. Know yourself, man. I want link in, daddy. Do your best,
Come on,
daddy.
Respect,
You
man.
I
understand me?
remember what I say. Don't follow him.
But I want him to say
Good
though.
girls,
Me there
they
say
are
what-
good.
Yeah, alright. Go on, come on, son. Make man talk for a minute. What may I say to you now, daddy? You sure it's a bright and brilliant idea for you left from down here, so she live with her mother and you dey live for your mother down here, so with your brother and sister them and something. So when you go up to go live with for them people, don't you think it gonna be a little something there, a little too much because you'll be soft because you go to the outer world. You're not used to Portland and down here born and grow.
True.
First you got Portland, right?
Yeah.
So how you go survive up there? Suppose them piss pan you up there where you go do.
No, man, none of that can't happen, man.
Alright then, sir. If you say so, me can't say nothing about it, you know. If you say so, you're sure say you're concrete daddy. Anyway,
Concrete.
never link up Portland, you know. Never link up Portland, me have linked in the town. One girl always up the name Blackmount. I'll give you your contact. Just in case if your woman kick you out, you know say have the yard if you go. I'll give you the number there directly. Make it when you go up there, You just take that girl, call a girl and tell them make she stay up and stand by. You understand? So that means that if one thing comes to Ray, because you tell you one thing, you know enough man, left hand, Negril and flag a foreign with white man. Wait, come there. No man want to walk in and see it in the sun. Wait, so come. When I say now, left them good woman a yard and gone with foreign woman. Say them no meet a yard and then meet over there. When they go over there, them have to meet out of concrete, out of coal, the white here put them out.
But look at you know if you affect me because you know say me can't have no girl no more on my phone today.
Listen man.
Affect me up.
Daddy, your name Tuggy down here. Oh, you early go somewhere. You what? Tuggy, sha? When you go up there, you're Tuggy. No matter about this, no man on phone. If see no girl, no man on phone, where you got about it? So what? No man on phone, so where you got about it? You have to go with that personality there. Because if you go down and soft, then go beat your body. When you go up there, turn up there. Like so. When you go in, step in the house, so. Set up in the house. So everything you have there, you get the food over there.
Like a man.
A man.
But me I do right man, when I reach up there, I shout you up and say,
Daddy, I go watch the thing, Daddy. Yo, you know, you see that you like this, I believe in a free will. You see, for that, I can't pay Daddy, go and go do it, Daddy. But I said, do the right thing, though. Do the right thing, because I don't think it's a safe idea about you. And you have to make a decision. If it don't work out enough, but maybe my work out to you. Go and do your thing.
Yeah,
wait out, though, wait out. Give me a number.
Yeah, man. Mama, what you link here?
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah, man, so.
To make it your tune. Hello?
Oh, go on, baby.
Wagwan.
My one and only Mira.
Uh-huh.
You know, so me there though, and me that meds about the situation and me hear that talk about. He said situation the way I tell me say, you don't want me come up your yard come stay because the 4 day or 3 would work out when I come up there. So you don't want me to turn 1 week or 2 week.
Yes.
But me make up my mind still, and when me I try to say like, mother want you come down at my place come live or go in a middle island or something, you know? So
No, I'm not do that.
listen to me I say no man. Remember me I'm man, you know. More you fi come down here is either you live in my mother's house, but me not think that work still. No, you me I say no man. Me and you can pay the rent, you know, say for 20,000 feet, we split it. We pay a half and half for 30,000 feet.
You go pay rent.
Listen to me, I say, man, I don't have someone you can live. Don't you so? You that better don't you so because me love my work, you know. You see me? And me not just want to left my work. So.
Look here. Remember say I'm me a man here, you know. I mean I need you.
Boy, you want me left my job can live with you. Remember say me come up there.
To make it your tune. What you say?
I prank you, man. Me just sit down and start from early. Me did one post a video on the couple channel.
You don't run down to the with me.
B, I prank you.
Me know some did left right now. Me don't know how you would have 5 foot thing yam.
Me I come up there early morning. Early.
Just try make sure.
As morning light.
You try work back and call somebody else take your spot.
What kind of thing that? Me I come up every 2 man tomorrow. Me I go up on the road and come back here.
Do what you do.
Alright, love you baby.
Have that too. Come on from my phone by the way. Come on from my phone.
Alright. Oi.
Oi.
So me have something to talk to you about though.
Yeah, you can talk to me, man. What you say?
Me I go to Portland go live with Mira.
What?
I live with my girlfriend.
No. You can't tell me that. Say you are going to Portland and go live with girlfriend. No. Me, after me spend out for me money and send you go to school and I work so hard and send you go to school and you go tell me say you go live with girlfriend, little boy?
But
No.
so me 18 and I know.
I'm stand up and talk to you, little boy. You can't tell me that. Yes, you are 18-year-old, but you can't go tell me your mother say you live with woman Oh, one time, me there and I'm want look help now. I mean, I have nobody to help me. I mean, one night in a house. And then now, when me gone out, coming in a night, no, nobody not there to help me cook local food. You know, so you have to stay with me. You know that. So you tell me, say you live with girlfriend. Girlfriend can't mind you. And me, I mind you for your baby. Your father left me and gone about him business. He not give you nothing, he not give me nothing for you. And me alone with your struggle from time to time. And you go tell me, your mother now, say you live with woman. No, no, no. You can't live with no man. If you're going to live with woman, then change. So what Mira have to give you? Eh? Tell me, you tell me what Mira have to give you now, look a boy. Tell me, come me there listen. Since Sunday there I listen. You tell me.
She will take care of me.
How she can take care of you? She can wash your clothes like me wash your clothes. She can cook your food good. She a work.
Mira live with her mother.
Same thing. Same damn thing. You really look for me and tell me say Mira live with the mother, you want to live with Mira? Eh? Mira don't have a place in say Mira how old?
She a 20, mommy.
20 and she live with her mother. And you will tell me, say, you want to live with me. You're 18, you know. You remember, say, you're 18 if you got your age?
Me and her plan for the couple channel.
What kind of channel now do?
Couple channel.
Like what? Tell me, me want to hear.
Also.
Pranks that now go help you. Have to go and work and stop. Tell me about you go live with Mira. Me not say you can't deal with your woman, you know. Me not say you can't have your woman, but you need to go look at work. What me say you need to go do?
But I might choice more go live with me.
Lord Jesus Christ, look boy. What me say if you do?
I'm grown up now and you can't make decision for me. You only can suggest something and me I go live with Mira and I done talk. Tell her that too.
But yeah, you don't have no manners to me. I mean your mother, I really talk to me so boy.
Yo Papi, why pray?
Cuz, I drink.
I go and drink one beer, brother, because mommy stress me out, you. She tell me so I can't go live with Mira.
But your mother right.
You're mad.
How you go live with somebody who young like you? Find somebody with money and ambition.
Brother, you know so I love her already.
Well, love her go. So what you plan to go there go do? Cause you is a man you love yam only for bread, you know. And you can't go there go yam the people them place.
We just want to go start the couple channel and everything. We done plan that already.
Palm phone you use.
It's easy, no, man. Me and a cousin, you deal with me, sir. I know I see a fear phone. But me and your cousin, you not fear be so with me, youth.
Yo, let me tell you something. Mira is not a good girl. I'm going to soften you down like a soap. I remember say you done soft already, you know. So we say if she ever soften you down like a soap and water catch you, you just a melt. I bet you have to go run back, come back now.
Me not run come back now, brother. A good girl, that. And you know me love her already.
Good girl, way. Then the girl that want man to box and beat them and kick them and you don't do that.
Me not beat girl.
Huh? Go on.
Say it on differently.
But then you go on with the meds. Me just want to look out for the couple channel to see what I go on. And when they do?
Yeah, me I say, I'm a cousin, you know, but me tell her this. Me not left my woman for please none of her, you know. So yeah, me I say, look come on here.
Do you think me boss? Crazy in love.
Okay, oh, I go on.
There, you know, look come on.
Everything good.
All the reason over here.
Alright. So I pray.
There, you want to know, say, my plan to shoot out door.
What you said to me, shoot.
There, I laugh so much. I live more, I go live with me, right, youth.
My youth, that is a good freedom. You can go and go live with him in my youth, I tell you.
So I can't laugh.
Yo, look at
That son
Look
happy
man.
for me, I know.
Oh, you're wicked, so man. After I done sleep with the man, woman, I come talk about good thing. Good thing, what?
Yo, so me I say, no, man. You know, so anytime when I talk things what my woman feel how you do, youth.
Yo, but it's the truth. This a man a sample a woman. Officer
You can't.
Officer General sample a woman.
Yo,
No go so.
Look at man.
No go so, brother.
No, me know say it's true. Well, look at
No,
you feel it's a good idea.
What you mean me happy for you, brother?
Come on, I go do a couple channel thing, you know.
Jesus
Don't
Christ.
worry.
Channel I go bust so you know.
And we share your channel,
Rough.
don't worry.
I
Because
go work.
you want your woman again.
Yo, you know say you drunk, man. Go on, no, man. Me and the man
Yo,
talk.
yo.
Easy, no, man.
Give me some space.
You know say you are hypocrite though.
Give me some space now, brother.
Because you want the man, woman,
Brother,
same
stop
way.
come telling man
Man,
them
no,
thing there,
I'm
brother.
woman,
Not
brother.
go so.
You know some woman loyal to me already.
Or you know say one nigga in a lane up there so.
Sample
Yeah, me
her
I
too.
You hear that?
Yeah, me I
You hear that?
You think it's a good idea for me go live with her?
Tell the
You
man
don't tell
no.
already, bro. It's good, man, you.
So make you
Yo, we
laugh
have to tell me cause of fooling this.
Because I'm gonna come with Nancy to come tell me after talk about me sample a woman and sitting there. I know me never sample her yet.
Yo, yeah, me I say, me I go down.
Alright, that's enough. Nobody take it too hard, you know, bro. Here, that do me, I beg you.
You know, say, you're a wicked boy. Oh, you wicked, man?
Chat too much. You make me kill me. You use a mouth too much.
It's
Stop.
soft.
What?
It's soft. You can't do nothing.
You chat too much, happy nice. That's how me I feel business. I don't feel business. Pussy man, you shot me. You see you.
Shut the door. It's a clown that.
Clone, I can't trust nobody.
A girl
Sympathic
clown.
man-
Because
sympathic than high.
me now left my here. I go live with no woman in their mother house.
A fame life. You must know. You might go back up on the next man. You know what I'm going to do? I go up on my yard. Go feed me chicken before night come done. You see?
I only work in wash only for jobs up there and
Boy,
clean
bro,
up
burn
and...
them up in bleach too.
What go on, Tuggy?
There ain't no fire.
How you look so, daddy?
First one broke. But I hope someone go. Me want to could give me a piece of money or lend me so if
Daddy-
when I go up, I can just send it back. Or
Me and money and no friend. So one thing you have to deal with, make sure we do some hustling and you mash up the hustle and sabotage it. You understand me? I say so right now I don't have that right now for me. That's why you see in our life when you do things I have to do it properly, daddy. Because when I want help you go did it. I don't have it now, daddy.
so you know nobody where you can just get it from. And I go up, I send it back and you give them.
Right now you have to check Mr. Chin. And them alone make money in the country, daddy. I check if you don't who spend the $12 million on the sign up on the grill or so. And them people have the money, daddy. You know what I mean?
Right now, Papi no want give me no money. Because he tell me say I don't go up there. He tell me say I don't want a good idea.
Daddy, you see your idea. No, you don't go live, daddy. Because in the idea, you have to eat your food.
Yeah, remember say you don't tell me since evening. Say yo, I can't show about.
No, you can't do your thing, man. The man said, you go eat your food now, daddy. Come and say, maybe your mother would have glad if you go because you're not really working now. So you have to eat out all things them. So make go save a can eat out for somebody something to do it. More than one somebody something. Because look how long you eat per time. You're not going no further with it. But you good though.
No, sir. When I get the money, I'm good.
That girl have money. Call her and send her money come here. She have money, man. She can't
No,
want you
no,
all.
no.
Listen, man. Don't tell her that, daddy. Don't tell her that. Most women have a backup man for money. She must have a backup man up there. You know about that man.
She
there.
not a backup man.
Daddy, me say, listen, man. Tell her. Not just ask
Listen,
her.
she love me. I'm a love her. She not no man and me alone. She have.
Backup, nah, not for the love.
You know me favors?
What?
Me amor.
The Amora.
My
Well,
wife.
your wife. So, do your thing, man. But you'll survive it, though. You know what? We don't have Salvation Army. Them people has a money down there. We don't have money, I know. But check them people
Nah,
there.
go down there. So I see if I can get it from her and Monica them still are. My mother must say give me still.
Check your mother. Your mother have money. She just supposed to get partner in time now. Go check her. If you have a thief money for her, your mother, she can't do nothing.
So you go differently.
Yeah, upon the road I'm there, I meditate. Somebody for check up the side time, me I watch. Look at the time reach now.
Alright, really?
Yeah.
Tomorrow may I go up early in the morning.
Okay, so what you want now to go? Because other day me that talk to you about the whole thing, me really is upset because you are my one son, you know, and me have to guide you, you know, me can't just have you go out at people place and then when nothing do you, I mean I problem. You understand? So that's why me that talk to you the other day. So here me have to say now, you say you go up so tomorrow. So what you want to go up now?
Well, what I like, you give me a little fear.
How much money you want?
1, 3, 5 good or 4, man. Somewhere this one.
Alright, then me give you 5 grand, me not give you 3-5. Me give you more where you ask for. You can buy something to eat when you depend on the way and make sure so you call me. No?
Yes,
Call
sir.
me. When you reach, you call me and tell me so you reach. And make sure you make no girl get no jassy washing. And no clothes, you know. Remember me tell you that, you know.
But if she's sick still, me can wash them.
No. Don't wash no girl panty. What me say no fi do?
No, I can't go.
Yeah, boy pick me. What me say if you do? Look after her different, like if she's sick, you know, but don't wash her panty. And make sure say Which part of there? Stay near bus park, me a forward. Do not move. Because me not time I run up and down and look for you. I can't understand, boy, what me think you talk to, child. I don't want lick sense in a girl. Mom, but me love you. Don't tell me crap on my ears. What you mean you love? This boy can't even finance in no way. We are gonna make it together. Shut your mouth before. Don't talk when I hear. Speak when I spoken. Top chat, I saw me raise you. I never raise you like this. And this boy cannot finance you. He's way young for you. You need an older man that has money. And listen to me. I'm not telling you anything wrong. You are my daughter. And I love you. You need to listen to me. Yeah, tell me something wrong because you want me go out there go look rich man, which I him me love. Me not run down no money. I love no one. If a boxer, you see? Mommy just shut up. And talk to me, sir. You're not bringing him in here. I'm done talk with you. But I'm me done talk with you. Mira, I'm finished with you. You have to use a kitchen or a bathroom. Me a bathroom right here, so me make final word. Final word. But me I go feed him. No, me love him and me I go feed him. Good girl. Move fast now.
Welcome back. How are your mother?
The room.
You want to sleep like me?
What?
Tell her good night. Good night.
Good night. Sean. You there?
Yeah, man.
Say I care nothing for me from the grill.
Why me end up get caught up?
Come give me a hug.
I have to run, come up.
Glad to see you. That's sweet. Stay there for a while now.
I'll stay here, man.
Alright, so what the plan for you?
Well, you know, so I did plan for me and her do a couple channel do. Because as I know, she can edit. And me can edit good as well, so I think that is a good thing for both of you. We work out good.
Well, I didn't have to say much because I know I believe in you. I believe in you. I know I say that everything covered. You know, get yourself comfortable.
Alright then.
There,
you see it tomorrow.
Yeah, alright.
Alright.
We read it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Cool. I don't know if I can.
You did let some clothes up here last time we come up here and spend 2
I
days.
deal with that already, I deal with that.
And super, like they in there,
Yeah.
Oh, come. When I reach out, I look for them and I wonder what I do with it.
The week, you know? Ah! Yeah, serious. No matter what you bet, because I don't really lie down. I miss you.
I miss you too. So what now?
We're there.
Oh, plan to see you. But, where you say I go on now?
Full of California.
Oh, wait. I reach up, I just not too long reach up. When I done my call. Alright. But the journey is long, man, I not lie. Tired.
Man.
I don't have to take a wash off and then go sleep. But me I say though, I need build the couple channel, you know.
Oh.
But you know, so we have to put in a lot of work though because more for the beat like G and Ken, King and Shay, right? So, you know, it will take a lot of work. But we not go into that deep tonight, but we can just watch some video to get an idea about everything. We can watch on a G and Ken them video. So we can have an idea what we are doing.
Alright, so.
Can watch on before we go sleep or so.
So you're not gonna be here?
Yeah, I'm done. But the journey is long and I'm tired, so I'm cool off like so.
We are cool off of you.
I'm just tired. So, what did I do? What was the day?
Good.
I left down a nigga. Friend name, they want to tell me say it's a foolish idea I make.
If you gonna live with me?
Yeah, they must say like, I should come live with you and them thing.
All of day, if I go pick, choose or refuse, if I want to stay here or I want to go back on the girl. Which one?
No more stick, so one of them here.
You not watch that right now, to watch that. You have to be it first and we'll lie down and watch that.
You tell load the internet. I cannot show them.
Turning my boyfriend into already telling the other. 2 girl drinks, so you must know. Team Nikki all day, every single day. Period. It's about to be lit in here. So let's keep this shit going, man.
But I'll be there and come back, you can go and watch it.
I hope they can keep up with this year, you know. That's all me I tell you. Cause you're soft, you know, you do all the talk you want, couple channel. You all the talk. No look for me, say you're bright. Get up. Ah, you too. Look up front yourself, come on, you talk beside me. So we can hold like bag and go. You just take out the clothes from in there, so look at who me I talk to. Just watch. Frownsy.
So you ready for go sleep now?
You have it hard to come in front of me, sit down in a towel, I ask them ready to go sleep you now.
I can't go answer.
Me not go on now, I simple talk to you, be just wait, you know what?
Must I tell you some more I go sleep in the car, the journey long.
Hold them here, put them somewhere.
Tomorrow, let's sit down. Look off your light.
What's up guys, and don't know son girl Mira, and this is the first prank video on the channel and alright, put it back over. What's up guys, and don't know son girl Mira. Yeah, my dino man. Look at it. What's up guys, and don't know son girl Mira, and I am back. No, at first I can't say back. What's up guys, and don't know son girl Mira, and I'm here with a video which I'm gonna prank my boyfriend. Like him come here yesterday. Yeah, him come here yesterday and I'm gonna prank him say me I run him back in the yard. Like me I say, boy, go on your yard, I don't want it anymore and things on just to get your reaction guys, yeah. So just stay tuned. When time I reach in here, I'm gonna stop the camera, so yeah. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell and all the things that are already. Yeah, I'll call him right now because in the room mother room I watch TV with her. So I'll go set up the camera and call him and I'll get right into it. So wanna stay tuned. Alright. So like must not be right there, so. Gonna put it on back camera. Back camera. Flip. Flip. Back camera. It have to do. Me say. It have to do. I will express it. The butter can't cut out with it. Fix up on thing. B! B! B!
Yeah.
Come here. You know, sit like you do.
You want to come watch TV, do it?
I don't have time for that. I something to tell you. Sit down.
Me guess, man.
I don't know how to tell you. I don't know how to tell you. You know what? Me just get right into it. Me gonna need you. Pack your things them and head back on the girl.
Every day, every day?
No, I mean my
So your phone out of this, sir?
No, my phone. Just leave it now. I'm
I
phone.
prank cash, I prank me.
Stop now. You can just play on with this something.
Be and also prank work. Come and tell you how we work. Sit down to it.
Can you go and say everything?
Listen.
Give me this.
It's a prank thing you have to make it be realistic. So what you have to do, you have to make me know what I go on first.
A prank in him.
Yeah, so me I go act like me no know what I want. Me just have to play the role.
So we actually say you go plan it.
Yeah, so I go plan it.
So me I go do now. Just start back the camera, we do it.
Yeah, we can do that. Or we can do it tomorrow or so, cause you know, watch movie, you know.
But we need something to post on the channel.
Yeah, we are going to post something, but not right now. The time is evil. Gone bad feet there. 10:44 now. We can do it tomorrow.
Alright. Go on, go watch TV. I'm not coming out.
Come on.
Me not come. Go on. Me don't like what time I stay upon me say fi go on. Alright in here. Get up and go on now.
Walk around.
You know say you go watch TV, go on man.
Nah, but I go walk around.
Me need some time for myself, go on. Where you just play with this something?
But that's a prank thing work.
That no say, it didn't work out good.
Look where you even put the camera. We can't even see that the camera there.
But no see it just like when you did see it, you could have just play on. Just
No.
play on with me. You have to make people I know everything. But after, get up off of my pillow. No, touch my pillow. Get up off of my pillow. Tafa, go and sleep in my house. Go sleep with family. Come back in. Why you just please man? Come on, go. No, everything. When I don't want to watch those videos. Just go and go to this. Don't need him. look up. Get up now.
Oh, time now.
Time for you to get up.
Put one slice of bread on it to your head.
So come on, I can't tell me nothing. Or you do it or me I do it.
Never tell you to put one slice of bread on it too.
I don't want to hear nothing. Because for a man, you do it, I see what you help me do. And you come out and go put one slice of bread on it. That's why I'm not to give you nothing to. Disgusting.
Mother not wanted.
That's no question. A brown bread, you know.
I know I love bread, any bread me get me take. A spoon.
I fancy it, my family. I chop the spoon. Hold this.
Done.
Ready, you know.
Oh.
Alright, so which one I want to do?
You know, I have an idea.
No.
What do you think we can really do now? Sit down. What kind of prank you think we can really do now?
Me I ask you and you ask me.
Alright. Go watch one G and Ken prank and see if we can create our own style. We're not going to teach for them style, you know? Watch one and see. You know, we got something to eat.
I don't want nothing to eat.
Connection kind of back up the way you're still on.
You like banana girl then?
You know what I'm saying? She or Gia know say you more prank her, more prank him though. You have it, me feel like say she call him and tell him. Say more do one prank on him, so he call him already and send him a picture. And if he just react like he don't know. You know things like that? That's why I tell her say so we feel though.
Alright, so
I look on the channel and see if I see one prank come out that one creating a my own style. Alright, so I find one I know.
what?
What me I do want to me I say. I don't like your mother. But you know it's still you know. It's like if me I walk what you do, me I tell her say, me I tell your mother. You have to pull me back on them things
I know
juke
that.
off all my face.
Yeah.
So when me I go out there so like me I say me I tell your mother. You can grab me back on them sitting there, you know, but
Me know
me not
already.
gonna give up. Yeah, me not gonna give up so easy. So what you gonna do? Me I tell them say I bought through my bed. So me I say me can't talk loud and them something then when I come out, you know, so you can't just wrap around the towel for you. So me I start off it.
Alright.
Put on my shirt. Can turn on the pipe and you feel like saying,
yeah.
Welcome back guys to another banger. You know it's your boy Sean. Today I'm there with a new banger prank. So today I know me a prank my girlfriend. Hold on. Welcome guys to another banger. So you know say today I go prank my girlfriend and me will tell her say me not like her mother to catch her reaction. So me no want to see how she will be. So me just stay tuned. Like, share, comment and subscribe. I can't really talk too loud because she in her bathroom, so stay tuned. I set up a camera, if you go and run, once you come out, I just jump in a prank. B.
Hold on. You look so.
I have something more to say to you.
Could I want that now? Talk me, I hear you.
Like, you know, so we tell you the truth.
Me say fi talk.
Like, I think your mother did a one good person, but she talk to me nice over the phone, but when I there, she not treat me good. If I go in the kitchen and even take out one bread or something, like she start a cuss or them like something there, so what I want to say still, like,
Wait. My mother could never, not my mother.
what I want to say still.
My mother treat her bad, don't do that.
I don't like your mother.
What you mean you don't like my mother? What you mean you don't like my mother? How you not like my mother? Let me have things to say here. What you mean you don't like my mother? What you mean?
Talk that no?
What you mean so if you talk that don't have no manners? What you mean you don't like my mother?
Woman does not like her.
You can't do this house and I like my mother. Make sense? You pack your things and go. Here? You can't do this house and I like my mother.
But you me tell you say me not like your mother, you want to send me out.
Don't stop playing with me. Stop playing with me. Stop playing with me.
Bill no?
Me not bill what? You check when you like my mother. I'm going to do and take that. Me not take that. You're out all and you're bright. You're bright. Now turn your back to me when time you talk. You don't do that. You don't have no manners.
I'll tell your mother, so me not like her.
Tell her what?
But me not like her if you chew me not go have me in
If
my
you
heart.
make me, you know what? Where you there go come here so sit down. Hey you sit down there so. What you mean you not like me mother? Eh? What you mean you not like me mother? Let me step in your conscience in your ear. Don't play with me. If you laugh to go, but this is you're serious. You're serious. You're serious. If you don't like my mother, pack your things and go where you go. Hold this. Go on. Go on. Take a suitcase and go on.
Yeah, I'm there, babe. You really send me home to me tell us I'm not like your mother?
Yes.
So
You can't do
you know
this.
if your mother like me?
She like you. You can't do this at house here and don't like my mother, you're right? Me say if you sit down when me dey chat to you. Sit down. Sit down. I come here. Me don't want to talk. You know what? Me say if you come here, son, sit down there, son, don't play with me. Don't play with me. Stop playing with me. You know some murder here in this here. Don't play with me here. That's all me I tell you. Do not sit down there so with me I talk to you.
This bill no you push me so.
What you mean some if you bill? What you mean some if you bill? What you mean some if you bill? Don't play with me here. Do not.
Sorry.
What you mean sorry?
Sorry man.
Don't touch me.
You don't put on the clothes?
No, because you're bright. But you don't like my mother. What my mother ever do to you?
A prank. We can already. Ah!
The prank
Yes guys,
stupid.
so
Your
we
prank
get
fool.
our reaction now.
The prank fool and it's stupid.
Team Sean.
Stop now.
Team. The Team Sean.
Team up. True.
The Team Sean.
Leave me alone, man.
Yes guys, so I'm saying stay tuned.
Your prank
A lot
stupid
more
and
bangers
fool.
are forward on the channel, so yes guys, you know we out. New video soon.
What kind of prank that the fool like?
I will edit when we're done or something. So, go and put on your clothes.
You like that one?
Go and edit it.
Alright, I'm tell mother saying you go on the road. I'm going to show you around the place. You go out night home.
Oh. So we can get food and something there in the town.
That's all you think about food.
We have to buy one more bread because bread done. We have to buy you have money can buy bread.
You have money?
I have no money.
Why?
Why tell them what I say I have no money?
You don't want to
Tell her
ask
morning.
me if we have money.
Tell her morning.
You don't have mouth. Something you don't place like a chichi. You know what you're chatting. Oh. I want to pack the things and go back here yard too.
You know we have create one big argument over that the little
What
thing.
do you mean? You don't have to cuss about you outside of your bride. What kind of foolishness that I do?
What me do?
What kind of foolishness? You don't know what you do?
No, look at that. Remember saying that? We had a couple channel and saying
Me not, no, you can't see girl parona. Call to girl.
No, listen.
Girl look on you, look back on girl.
Listen to me explain.
And the hottest thing you look on her body.
Just listen to me explain. Just let me explain. Remember, you know, we had a couple channels, so we have one little fan base out there.
That
so
no say.
She see me and
That no
she
say.
called to me say, "I'm wave back."
Hello, yeah, walk with a woman, you're not supposed to. I call to no girl in front.
But girl, I must say, "Yeah, my woman, cause you hold me
Stop
hand.
back talk me.
You all hold me hand. Even bump you see in my face, I try to squeeze and I bump my lady. Cause you want to say, yeah, I'm a woman. They must know say I'm a woman. So I don't know where you be suffer. What do you mean pack up things and go on my yard?
Take a things about from guy yard. Me tell you that now. Me tell you that
You
you
see,
stress me out.
me didn't really want to go in the town, you know. And you force me to say we are go out there go build back, you know.
Yes, we are good, but me never care about if you go look for a woman and not call to woman.
And fans.
That no say, fan or not fan or whatsoever you want, baby, not care.
So if you see my fans, man, and say hi to them.
No say hi.
You're unfair because we're there in the town and
Don't hold on, we are talking about me unfair.
Y'all hold your face and the squeeze bump.
Don't argue with me. Don't argue with me.
So
Do not argue with me.
Me can't live
Happy nice. Happy nice. Don't argue with me. And then it's a Peter for me too.
No, you chat about pop bag.
Don't it's a Peter for me.
Everything good. You really want to go?
Go on your yard, Virginia, let me tell you. Go on your yard.
You really want me to go with you?
No, let me maybe stop in your face. Let go my hand. Let go my hand.
When me leave that in a favor, go back down.
Your business work. You will reach. Start work for now. You will reach. If it's nobody out there beg them money, but not me.
Me just stay till tomorrow. The time done gone bad now.
Me no business
Half
work.
a 4 now.
I do not care.
Half a 4 now. Me go
Tell
down
someone
tomorrow.
who cares, but I think them and come back where you go, brother. Oh,
See me can call
yeah,
me
yeah,
or
walk. Yeah, call to woman, like say.
Yo, fire, why pray? You know, say something me ask you for deal with for me door.
What you deal with? What?
You can't hear the near papa.
Yeah, man.
You can't link him for me and ask him say if he can lend me $2,000. More come back down.
Let me see where you want to come back down.
I just want to come back down.
What go on up there?
Me and me here live.
You know I live now.
Yeah.
What go on, man? What cause them something there?
When me fall down, me here chat, man. You can link him and make you reach me early morning or I don't know if you can reach me. No, because the time even gone bad now. At 2:05 now.
In that same room and I sleep my sleep, you know, so.
Wake him up now.
No, yeah, I wake up the one in my sleep, you know, daddy, so. Me short him when I don't know, if I go early morning, I forgot to work, you know. You know, the man to go work real early. But me see what I go and do.
Aye, and you not have the money can lend me.
Daddy, no, man, me have money and a friend. But sleep with the two of them open, you know. Me tell about the first thing, you know, daddy. I say, I'm there one, you know. I mean, one and tell us, daddy.
That's true, man. You live and you learn.
Never you push your head now and whole way you can't come back out. No, anything she said to do, you have to just do it, you know, daddy. If you want to survive up there, anything she said to do, you do it. But more tell Papa and I man still say, yeah, look at $2,000 if you want to lend. Sure?
Alright, yeah, man. Just short number can make me know here.
You can't survive, man. If you tell us to do anything, you just do it.
Alright, make me know what I'm going. We link up.
Alright. Bad boy.
Yeah. You remember a girl number where you say you don't give me? So if anything, me can just go stay with her or what?
Yeah.
Send me right now up on WhatsApp no cause more left for her so me can just go build back with the girl. Yeah, black mo. Me just want to go build back with her and tomorrow me show out early. When I send the money. Alright, send me right now so me can link her make she know. Or tell her send me a forward then.
I'm going to call her because I get a love you, you know.
Alright, me I'll do it right. Yeah.
Come.
Me just stay with it and my friend tomorrow morning. I go down
You know,
early.
say me love you. I joke me there and make a prank.
Bill, no, man?
Just wait then now.
What you mean, prank?
I joke me and make. Just Bill, no, man. Put on your bag. You know, say I joke me and make. Put it up, yo.
That's Bill, no, man. I go.
Just be like fight foolishness now. Don't let me have it along bad. Stop. Oh no.
Bill, no?
Me nah let it go because me nah make you go.
Bill, no, man?
Stop playing with me.
You say me go, me I go.
But me tell you say I'm
Now stay down
proud.
on a friend of mine tomorrow
You're not
morning early.
staying, you're not staying no friend of me there. You're bright. Stop now. Go and put back your suitcase and now I'm going my way. You're going to shoot me down. Stop now. Stop now. Oh, love you. Not gonna know it, please. Put in this though. I'm going to go back off the girl.
Like this, we just go in there town for this. Normal.
But when you start and you casting, because I have a pan woman I'm there, you know me say I have a pan woman. Put that back the bed there for me.
Yeah.
Yeah, go to the sit down.
Alright.
Yeah, come.
So, connection weak up a sign. Call him back. Fire.
Burn it up.
Yeah, you hear me?
Yeah.
Me have to talk low. I prank me, I prank you, man. Me need to come back down, man.
No, you're prank, you know, you're prank yourself. Me ask you a question, though.
Yeah.
You ever hear the story of the boy that cry wolf?
You hear me? You hear that tell me when me the dung them, man.
Yes. So hope you not become that boy that cry wolf. Cause if the next time you cry wolf, dog, me and suffer. I know, wolf, me and suffer. Because you go suffer. So no ramping out a world there. Out a world not easy. Dance here, dance abroad. I must say there, in a fullness. You know what I mean? And she go job for you. So know yourself, just go and do that. Go and do that and do that, but differently. Hold it up, you.
Yeah, man, that's...
Make sure say, you know, put weep on prank on YouTube, you know. Cause you know it thing go.
No, man, me not put it on YouTube, man.
Yeah, man, now I'm put it different way because I remember say, we have some things done here we can put on YouTube, you know.
Yo,
Remember?
no bother with that, no bother with that. No bother with that, man. No bother with that, no bother with that.
Everything good though.
Yeah, man, just tell Papa I say, I joke me
Yeah,
that
me
make.
tell him, man.
Yeah, man.
Cause I say want to send a bit of money come here, you know. You will go send money come here differently. Cause you do some work for you, and say I have a bit of money want here. So maybe contact you about that.
Yeah, man, come me need you, you know.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
Money though.
Mommy. You know, say, if on the road, me I go do.
You know, say me have something to tell you.
What up?
Me and your mother, I suggest something to you the other day, the other night. And you don't listen. I hardly can even get a cup of juice. Look what when me talk to you, I hardly can even get a cup of juice in my one fridge. Me don't want that boy in here. In your mouth all of my bread, in your mouth everything. And me did bin suggest this to you, so what is it?
Me
What's the
talk to him
problem?
about it, mommy. Me talk to him about it.
You better. I know what you are do. I want me to say as the mother. Imagine me going in my fridge to get a juice and me juice done. And me the providing here, you know. You nor your boyfriend don't but me. You nor your boyfriend not doing anything. In here. He cannot stay here. Mira, he cannot stay here.
Yes, yeah, Auntie. I'm feeling if it's share. Sharing is caring.
Don't talk to him. Because I notice you have a whole bag of mouth behind it.
Me I go up on the road, me soon come back.
Rotted, this blasted boy, name out my bread, name out my drinks, everything. Yeah, you can't, boy, come out of this.
Boy, oi. Yo. May you get up, get up. Want to do a prank because the last time you prank me, I time for me prank you. So come. You too lazy man, get up.
Yes,
You know, come net looks in, go and go wash your face. Go and go wash your face, may I do the intro or what you want to do. Like you don't come now and hear water run when me I do my intro. Thank you. What's up guys? I don't know, I'm the girl Mira and I'm here with another banger. So what me I do today is me I go prank Tuggy and tell him say alright, me I prank him say I miss my ex. Yeah. Me miss my ex. So I know say that I go hot. I'm about to do stay tuned, watch a full video, like, comment, and you know if you do already, yeah. If you not subscribe, please subscribe, hit that notification bell. I am out. What the first I do one take any? You do so good. I must stop the camera. Boy, come.
We're pass it to the camera.
Put your right there. Put your mirror at the screen. Oh, it's drops. Put some up there, so. Like. Hurry now. And give me them the idea, they're bright. Put it up there. Can I sharp boy? Give me this. You know, like, I don't have no sense. If you use up there, some man.
Then also me asleep.
So okay. I show you some me do it. Wait. Get up, get up, get up. We not do it so. You have me, I'll call you, you walk in. I remember saying, I made a deep prank. So I'll call you from in there so, and you'll come in and I'll tell you. Understand?
Yeah, that's hurry, come on.
Wait me something for work, no hurry me. This is why you sleep after the day and day. More than you, I'm going to taste like a chichi. No, I'm not going to alright guys, so now I'll call him now and get right into it. Tuggy! Tuggy! Come here! Let me have you call me that one. Come here, what you do? You know, say something more I tell you.
What I don't know.
I miss my ex.
What do you mean I miss the ex?
I never know how to tell about. I can't bear with it. I miss my ex.
What do you mean I miss the ex?
Don't come grab nothing from me.
cannot talk that way.
You know who you play with? You know who you play with?
What do you mean, Mr. X?
You want to come beat me if I make one house? Give me this.
Ramp,
Me not play with you. Let me go now. Let me go. Now you tell like saying I'm good. You know who you play with? Sit down. So make me talk now. Me miss me ex. Me I tell us me miss me ex or what? Me can't miss me ex.
Stop ramp with me here.
Don't fling me hands so. Don't do that. Maybe we fighting at this.
I really call me as a youth.
You said you be truthful to one another. I mean I do it and you cuss and you fling me hand. Don't play with me. Do not play with me.
Stop touching me.
Me miss me ex and it done. Me
Stop
miss
touching
him and it done. And me I go break up too. Me miss him and him me I go back to me now want you want me ex. Get up off of my bed. Get up off of my bed. Man, you tell me I talk to you know.
What kind of argument them did, eh?
So me can't tell the truth. Me miss me ex. Me miss him.
Who's
And I
going to
want
tell us
him
I miss
back.
mine too?
You can't miss an ex.
Me miss my ex.
You can't. No, stop playing with me.
Stop touching me.
Stop playing with
So
me.
you want to tell me say you miss me
Don't
and
play
me can't
with
tell
me,
us
yeah.
you miss me?
Don't play with me. Me miss my ex. Me miss my ex. Never think about you. You're gonna feel that, don't touch me.
Brother, foolishness them the youth. You can't tell me about coming some foolishness. You.
My ball. Why?
Man.
My ball. Guys, see me catch your reaction. That one I did. Epic, look guys. Could have a ball. Because I hate people them. Give a ball guys, I cry. Stop now.
Easy enough.
I talk to people them and stop going so. You're too soft man. Look. Are you me I talk to? Look in the camera. Look guys, I cry. Say team say team mirror. Say team mirror. Say team mirror. Stop playing with me and say team mirror. So I catch you. Say team mirror no?
Team mirror. Cut that number.
Team mirror. Oh. Me
Nah, youth, I know what I feel like saying something real something do youth.
What if I real something?
You have come up with the idea and the chat them foolishness, but you miss your ex. You don't like them prank them.
But if you tell the truth.
What?
If you tell the truth, I kind of miss you.
Stop your nice.
Stop playing with me. Don't play with me here.
I'm grown myself.
I'm fire so. Won't come fight me up in my own house. Oh, me I chat to you, don't walk out, Pammy, don't walk out. I might do him a slam. I might do him really a slam. Alright. You know, if you not play with me. Why if you slam me door?
Where you want me done for?
I fight me.
Brother,
Stop
you
right
do
there,
man.
so. Why if you slam me door? Don't come to me.
Go and go call the ex and you see me say
Oi!
Not in our place. This can't work.
Mommy,
Why you have no test?
you box me in my face, you lick me in my face, you know?
Box! Come on. Listen to me. Pack up your things. You
I
can't
don't
stay
feel
in
back
here.
that, mommy.
You can't stay in here. Listen to
yo,
me.
me a be that and left on the
Me
place.
tell you. You see why you have to listen to your mother when your mother talk to you? You see it now?
Mom, me not
And I slam door in my place.
And that is the same thing you do. Mom, not bad girl, they make me hungry, because me deal with him, and he knows I'm going to deal with him.
And I slam door in my place. Gentlemen, sir, kindly take up your things and come on. Leave the
I'm
bed.
Me a be
You know why
that.
you bed in my bathroom? sir?
Mommy, me hungry, me here.
No.
Not run up a pressure steak.
You not go bed in my
Mommy, just go,
bathroom.
mommy, me deal with him, mommy. Mommy, me deal with him.
Relax.
Mommy, I deal with him. Here. Me deal with him. Me have to. Yes, mommy.
Who that?
Yes, mommy.
You lock the door in my place. You lock the door in my place. You lock the door in my place. Open the door. Come here.
Yo, I'm gonna be that and cut
Come here now. Come here. Come here. Come here now. Come here, me say. Come here. Come here. You know, not take a walk and come back.
Yo, Poppy. Yo, look at me, listen up. Bro, listen up. This a time I don't know joke thing you. Yo, you can't give me money when I come down right now. Right now, all the mother, that's all around me out the house with all the man angle me good. Yo, just, you can't send the money down, please, no? But I'll be down here.
Look here. Come here. No go. Please. Stay with me.
Brother, if I do this in the youth, I second time I do this in the I go on me.
Just stay now.
The mother disrespect. Sorry.
She not this you. Put on your slippers and come here and let me talk. You're not gonna know. Just look here now. Please.
What?
You're not gonna know.
What? Or contact.
Just stay with me now.
Or talk, let's talk, man. I go on me.
You're not go home and stay with me. Please, no. Put on your bag now.
Where you put me suitcase?
I don't know. You're not go home.
Where me suitcase? Because you wipe out yours is Friday and move Friday and watch me wedding.
Put it somewhere.
More go on me.
You're not go home. Give me your bag. You're not go nowhere. And hug me up. Hug me up now. You're not
Hug up your ex. Hug up your ex. And hug up your mother.
But hug me up. Me say if you do hug me up. Me say if you hug me up. Hug me up.
Brother, you know me love and I can't be a
Hug
side
me
of
up. You're not go nowhere. Yeah, stay with me. And be like my foolishness.
Your mother come and disrespect me in the youth.
She not this you.
Them a grab this and this.
You know say me love you, right?
But true you know say you love me. True you know say me love you. That's why you treat me so you.
Me not treat you no.
So me can't do that the prank they then I can't talk about ex. You mix the ex with you? Eh?
No.
So you had the damn prank me for you can't do something else.
You go Tess. You know say me have something to say to you.
You have something to say to them.
No, nothing bad. My mother go somewhere like how you dey here a daytime like a house rat catch up in a house, if on a phone they on a lie down, if on a eat you eat whatever. Me I go give you money so you can go up on the road, go tour place because my mother go somewhere. I don't want to leave you here by yourself. I don't want to get boring. Understand?
Yeah.
So, I that more I tell you. We are go up on the road, so you can just go up on the road to go enjoy yourself.
So you had to go here now?
Yeah, I go to my mother and she.
So the money?
Me soon get that way.
Mommy. Yes.
Ready to go up on the road?
Ready. You not ready?
Yeah, I'm ready, but wait, let me come. Let me go to me.
This girl.
Wait. I'm going to say when you come back. Here.
Done. Alright. So we'll come back then.
Alright, we're going to leave what now still.
So we keep it.
Think it in another room. Come on.
Yeah. So my case up no door.
Let's say I reach it because I saw left it place.
Now go with some rest.
Look at that girl.
Mira. Hello, come on.
Where?
You know what I do? We have some family up here, and just try to know. You live close by. Come look for you.
But my boyfriend there on the plate.
Listen, remember you know, back in the days, I used to do secret things. So I don't know if you can bust one local place right now. And he never come back for now.
You not come
We
back.
pass him down night town and drink beer.
You know what I do this, you know?
Everything alright, man. You know, say me used to do things, you know, man. Remember, you know, it was a secret, you know. And nobody don't know that if you're mad, don't know.
I don't know what to say, I don't know. Alright. Right. I feel like me not coming on the body.
Hello. In the days, man, tell her, man, you see it. Me say, you know.
Me said to go, you never have to come here.
No, so everything alright, man. No problem. Man, I come back here now. I'll be happy.
Hopefully.
Yeah, tell her.
Little boy. Really, youth. Really, Mira.
Stop, no.
You think me had a friend, you would?
I'm not violent.
Oh.
Oh yeah, go. Oh yeah, go. Oh yeah, go. We can't talk about this. Oh yeah, go.
Think me had a friend, you would? Yeah, one way I'll encourage me to come up here, and you turn around and diss me.
We can't talk about this.
Time around me, I make
Please,
you
no,
happy, never
please.
make you blue, never make you blue. Now I believe when I'm said, love is true, love is true. You have me thinking about you, thinking of, oh, you got me
I've just watched that
thinking
movie.
about you.
It's a show based upon my little cousin, you know what I mean? Written by me and Poppy Dan, you know what I mean? Yeah. So there's a bag of things go on. As we go along, we try to put the best foot forward, is it? So you go work still, take what you take and go do what you do. But it's based upon many different stories because we all go through the same thing. We all go through the same thing every day. I wonder if we even listening to the words we say. I love you, hate. So, love is a big topic across the world, and there's a lot of reasons why it don't work, and there's a lot of reasons why it does work. But at the end of the day, please choose love. You know what I mean? Even when you try and it don't work, try again. It's not the end of the road, you know what I mean? each relationship give you a different experience. You know what I mean? So everybody have them one out there. So if you find one that's not yours, you continue. You know what I mean? It's not the end of the road. It's just the beginning. Let's go.